Welcome back to Mike's Woodshop. This is a weekly shop update for February 25th, 2018. I have completed the drill press cart along with the Milwaukee job site drawer organizer cart. That's a mouthful, huh? I am working on editing the videos on them. The drill press cart will be out first, hopefully Tuesday or Thursday. I don't know exactly when. I'm trying to get a day that I'm going to actually always be on. So it's either going to be Tuesday or Thursday. I just have to condense it. It's about 45 minutes long, edited. Now I just got to speed things up and condense it down to a manageable time. The plans, as soon as I release the video, the plans will be available on my website, and I will be doing the same thing with the Milwaukee cabinet. I'm also, once the rain lets up a little bit, I'm going to run out and get a couple of sheets of plywood. I'm going to work on Drew Short's the ultimate clamp rack. I think that's what he calls it. I've had the plans for a while. I wanted to build it. Now that I'm doing some organizing, let me get my clamps up off the floor, and in one spot it'll clear up some areas and I can start organizing a little bit better. Right? Yeah, better. The weather has been up and down, cold, hot, rainy, not rainy, so I haven't had a chance to finish the insulation, not insulation, but weather tighting. I don't even know if that's a word. Making the garage door weather tight, right? That's the better way to say it. I need for the silicone to cure once I put the strips down. So it's raining, the water comes in just a little bit on the sill, so I gotta wait till it stops raining. Starting to get a little bit warmer for a couple of days instead of a 60 day and then a 20 day. So as soon as the weather breaks a little bit, I'll have that video out. It's just we're getting towards the end of winter, I think. Well, our winter, but maybe somebody else could get a little tip out of that. So other than that, I don't know what's after the cabinet. I have to see. I do have to start the kitchen cabinet. Keep building shop cabinets. But in order to build kitchen cabinets, I got to clean up the shop a little bit so I have more room to work and store, because I can't install one cabinet at a time in the kitchen. I'd have to rip up the countertop and then have no kitchen, so that is not a good thing. Also in the works, I've been designing a storage rack for my rigid power tools, cordless power tools. I'm going to have it all in one area. I do have the corded ones, but they usually come in a case, so I usually store them in a different area. But the cordless, I have it all in one spot. I grab the tool, I grab the battery, I'm good to go. So stay tuned for that. Probably going to be another 2 to 3 weeks on that one, just because I keep adding and redesigning. So kind of have a good foundation of what I want it to look like. Now it's just tweaking it. So hopefully in the next 2 to 3 weeks I'll have that done, up and out. So all right, I'll give you guys a behind the scenes look at these cabinets and how amazing they are. Hold on. All right, so that is the drill press cabinet, and this is my Milwaukee, which houses my DeWalt planer now on the top. And yes, there's a mess behind there. Will be cleaned up soon. So that's all I have for today. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, be safe.